Students, all of you might have practiced the portion which I had covered in the earlier classes. Today I am going to cover the topic order by update, delete and drop. Arrange in an order, sorting. That means arrange the file or the table in an ascending or descending order. Order by class can be used. The order by class gives you a way of ordering the results of your query. The data of a table can be arranged in an ascending or descending order. ASC, ascending order, and DESC, that is used as descending order. Syntax is the order by statement. This class is used with the select statement. Select field from table name, order by the field name from which you want to order, and you can use ascending or descending and then semicolon. Default we can use as an ascending order. Example, select asterisk from teacher, order by T name. Here it is plain ascending order. Now select asterisk from teacher, order by field name, descending. When you run this statement, it displays all the fields in descending order. Another example is select T name qualification. Only two fields. From teacher. Teacher is the table name. Order by T name. It displays all the ascending order, field in ascending order, but it displays only two fields, that is T name and qualification. We just check it in the MySQL. Now use school, that is a database, open it. Then now you select asterisk from table name. Then it display the whole data as it is when we enter here in the database. Now select asterisk from teacher, ordered by, I use it T name, that is the first second field name. Then it displays here all the data should be in what? Ascending order. Now select asterisk from teacher, order by T name. I use here descending, DESC. Then here it display all the fields in a descending order. From teacher, ordered by T name. Now it display only two fields. Update table. Update statement is used to modify the existing record in a table. That means you can modify any records. It is used to change the value of existing record. Syntax is update table name, set field name equal to new value, then field name equal to new value. Like this you can use more than one fields. Where condition, according to the condition only it change the, or you can modify the record. It will be update according to the conditions only. Now example, update teacher set. I change it the qualification as equal to MPhil, where T name equal to John. If any record the name is John is there, his qualification should be changed to MPhil. Next one is update teacher set. I write it qualification equal to MPhil and subject is equal to general science. Here two fields can be changed, whose name is Madhav. We do it in the MySQL. Now select asterisk from teacher. Here it display all the fields and see John equal to qualification is MSc, and Madhav's qualification is also MSc and subject equal to science. Now we edit it, or you correct the John's qualification to MPhil. Now update teacher set qualification equal to MPhil. Then where T name equal to John. See, query okay, one row affected, that means one row is changed. Another is select asterisk from teacher. Then it is, see, John is changed to MPhil. In the top it is John MSc, the qualification is changed. Now update teacher set qualification equal to MPhil, comma, subject equal to general science. Okay. Where T name equal to Madhav. Now query is okay. Now we check it. Select C. The Madhav's is MPhil and subject is changed to general science. Now delete statement. The delete statement is used to delete the existing record in a table. Suppose if you want to delete a row or in a table, then you can use delete statement. Delete syntax is delete from table name where condition. If you use where condition, it delete only a single record. When deleted record in a table, the where class specifies which record should be deleted. If you omit the where class, all records in the table will be deleted. That means if you delete, you are not using the condition statements, then all the records should be deleted from the table. Example, delete from teacher where T name equal to John. Then what happened? The John name, that record, one record is deleted from that table. If you use the command delete from teacher, then what happened? It delete all the records from the table. Another is a drop table command. There is another command is there, same as delete. The drop table command is used to delete all the data from the table. It means it delete the table with all the records. That means it delete table itself. Syntax is drop table, table name. Example, if you delete drop table teacher, then what happened? It delete the table teacher be deleted with all records. The delete command is used to delete only records and drop command is used to delete the table. Now for delete, I use a new database that is called IP, and I use a new table name that is called XYZ. Here it display all the name, ID name, qualification, some records is there. I use with the delete command. First I use delete from XYZ where name equal to John. Then check it, what happened? It delete two records. The first record, John name should be deleted from this. See, two records are affected. That means now two records are deleted from the table XYZ. See, XYZ. Then see, there is no record of John. It delete two records. Now we can use another delete without condition from XYZ. Then what happened? It delete all the records without any information. It delete all the records. Now select asterisk from XYZ. Then what happened? Now empty set. Now we can do it as a drop command. Now check it with the help of drop command. Drop XYZ table XYZ. Drop table XY. Now query OK, 0 records affected. Now if you check it asterisk dot from XYZ, then it display error. That means, see, does not exist. That file, that table does not exist now in the IP database. Clear? Thank you.